What's going on, guys? Today's video we're going to be looking at CSS in full. So today's video is mainly for beginners, so we're going to be taking you through step by step properties, value, and we're going to be working with CSS in full. I'm going to be using a different way to teach my CSS tutorial because I have checked a lot of channels and I've seen different techniques, different ways, but I think this is the best because you have access to W3 schools. So I'm going to be using W3 schools as as the tutorial subject. So after every tutorial we're going to be doing a project on what we've learned. So let me just give a brief introduction to CSS. CSS is full acronymed cascading style sheet, which is used to present our HTML document. So it's more of formatting our web page, giving it design, like giving it color, effect. So it's more of the beauty of the website. So how can we learn CSS? CSS is not a technical language that would find difficult to learn. It's a very straightforward language. So in CSS we make use of what we call properties and value, which we're going to be talking more in depth in the other tutorial. So what I need you to know about CSS is that CSS is mainly used for the layout of our web page. We all know HTML is used for the structure, but CSS makes our website beautiful. So this is what we're going to be doing in our next tutorial. I hope you like this. Thank you.